we introduce a tasty variation to the khichdi. There are many variants of the khichdi, and we present a not-so-well-known split chickpeas lentils khichdi. This is a vegan-friendly, easy-to-cook, light dish. We hope you will enjoy it. It is even easier to cook in the Ninja Foodi. Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. This recipe is for 2 servings. If you have scaled the recipe for a different number of servings or have changed the chili levels, please use those quantities. For your convenience, captions are also available in other languages. Turn the Ninja Foodi on and set to sauté. Add 1/3 cup of cooking oil to the pan. Add 1 small sliced onion. Stir fry till it is golden brown. We will need this to garnish the rice in the end. Remove the onion and put away. In the remaining oil, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add about an inch-long piece of cinnamon stick. Add 2 pieces of split-open black cardamom. Add 2 bay leaves. Stir fry a little. Add 1 medium chopped onion. Stir fry till the onion starts to change color, the water dries, and the oil separates. Add the paste of 2 medium tomatoes. Stir fry till the water of the tomatoes dries, and the oil separates. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, or as you like it. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir to mix well and fry for about 5 minutes. Add half a cup of drained, split chickpeas, already soaked for half an hour. Mix well and add 2 cups of water. Set the Ninja Foodi to pressure cooker mode. Put the pressure cooker lid on. Set the time to 2 minutes. Once the cycle is complete, wait for 3 minutes before releasing the steam. Once you have released the steam, open the lid. Make sure that you follow the manufacturer's recommended procedures. Add another cup of water. Add 1 cup of drained rice that was soaked for half an hour. Turn the Ninja Foodi back on. Put the pressure cooker lid back on. Set the timer to 2 minutes in the pressure cooker mode. Once the cycle is complete, wait another 5 minutes before releasing the pressure. Release the pressure. Please make sure that you follow the manufacturer's recommended procedures. Once the pressure is released, open the lid. Garnish with the brown onion that we put aside earlier, and fresh green coriander. Enjoy with plain yogurt or raita. Check our channel or website for raita recipes.